Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, thank you very much. I appreciate you. If you like everything skincare, if you like things on lifestyle, yes, you are in the right place. So join the family. I want you to subscribe. I want you to also drop a comment, and I want you to also share this video. Also, I want you to turn on your notification bell so that you know anytime I upload a video. Thank you very much. So let's get right into it. So this is the Eternity Beauty Perfect set. It's a face massager with serum. So you can see the face massager there, and that's the serum. It comes with a vitamin C and vitamin E serum. So I just thought it would be nice to do a video where you could see me unbox this. I bought this at Home Bargains abroad in the UK, and I bought this, I think it was like either 20 or 25 pounds, I'm not too sure. I bought it because it was the first time I'd seen this 3D massager, so I just thought it would be nice for us to open it together. I've not used it, yeah, so just opening it, and I'm just going to show you all the stuff in it. So this is a 3D massager, right? I'm just trying to get it out from the box. It's a 3D massager. Isn't that cute? Isn't that beautiful? So it's a 3D massager. This is the vitamin C and E oil. It says it's energy glow boosting face serum. So I've not yet used it, but I think what really drew me to it was this 3D massager. So I do have a jade roller. I know some people use a jade roller, and some people also use a gua sha. But I said, 3D massager to be nice. It feels good. Now I'm just going to show you how you're meant to use it. Just look at the instructions here. So it says it's a face massager and serum with vitamin C and E energy glow boosting. Yes, so this fresh and non-greasy essence melts quickly into the skin, releasing a surge of beneficial ingredients to leave the face feeling softer, more hydrated and glowing. So the 3D face massager firms, stimulates the face and neck, and leaves skin looking radiant. Yes, leaves skin looking radiant. So you can just see the ingredients there. Aqua, obviously water. It says it has some butylene glycerol, diglycerine, hydrolyzed elastine, honey extract, that is good. It has some ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, and a whole lot of wonderful things in it. It has some allantoins and hydrogenated castor oil. So look at the directions for how to use it. So clean your face, then use a 3D face massager. Massage your face upwards with upward movements before moisturizing. Apply a few drops to your face and neck in the morning and evening. So it does show how to use it. Like you can see how to use it on your cheeks, how to use it on your nose, how to use it on your eyes, and how to use it on your foreheads. I think this tool is really good in terms of lymphatic drainage for your face, smoothing wrinkles, fine lines, and things like that. So yes, I'm excited to start using it. And I just said, hey, somebody might be popping into a Home Bargains or anywhere, and you might see something like this. They're wondering how exactly does it look like, how do you use it. So that's why I said I should do this video. So amazing tool. I'm going to use it, and tell me if you want me to do a video to see how I get along with it. Well, thank you for always being here. I do appreciate your time, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you very much. God bless you.